here we have our stationary model. It's still portable somewhat. They all come with a skid steer mount plate, or if you don't have a skid steer with the quick attach, you can just put your forks in here and move it that way with the tractor instead of forks. They weigh about 1,200 pounds. Again, here we have one battery and one battery charger, 25 amp charger. So before you start, if you're going to do trimming all day, then get this hooked up to the battery. Otherwise, if you run out of battery, then you're SOL. Okay, here we have the butt pusher as well. Again, it's not necessary, but it's recommended. We also have a gate. If you look over here, there's a gate that fits on there. It comes with it, even if you get the butt pusher, just in case you get into a barn that's too low and you can't utilize that butt pushing arm. Then the gate is self-closing or self-locking here. Again, we have this pull-out gate to corral the cow into the chute. So again, we'll get the headboard out. Pull the headboard out. Lock it into position with this locking pin. Again, start the trim. You would push the gate in, and then when the cow comes in and hits the gate, she would lock automatically. And this one also has 3 positions for head settings. And then again, you can remove it if you have a really big head or a big neck on a bull or something. So you don't need that bar in there. So once the cow is in there, you would snug her up. Push her in so she's snug. You don't have to cram her in there, but just so she can't move too much. Once she's in there, you get the belly belt up underneath the cow. These come around. Cow in it. There is adjustment up here for smaller animals or larger animals. You can go forward and backwards on the belly belts. So once you have the cow in there, you will bring her up. And again, when you tie the legs, it's always best to tie the top back one first, then the bottom back one, and then you would go to the front, tie the front top one, and then the bottom front leg as well. And you would release them in the same order. Yeah, so you're ready to trim now. It's got a 39-inch work height. It's not perfect for everybody, but it's a good work height. Once the cow is done, you let the bed down. Put the belly belts out. Release the cow through the gate. Be careful when you're doing this. And then you're ready for your next cow. That's it. These units are totally galvanized depth. I know our painted units were lasting up to 20 years, so I would assume these will last longer than that. But if you keep them clean, keep the manure off them. Yeah, so if you want to put it away, and she's done for the day. As you can see, these are quite mobile. They fit right in the back of a pickup. You just need to put a strap on so it doesn't tip over on you, but they're quite sturdy on here. So if you have a skid steer on either farm, you can move it from farm to farm, or if you have neighbors that you're sharing it with, they're very versatile. Or a set of forks on a tractor will lift it up. Also, when you're loading on a truck, you might want to wrap these chains up so they're not banging up against the side of the truck.